Okay, for the free jewelry series, I have so much stuff. I'm gonna try to film a little bit today, maybe like 20 minutes for an episode. So I'm not sure if I'll get to all these bags, and I have even more bags. Thank you so much to everybody who's given things to me. Mostly these will be for crafts or freebies with orders or whatever. If you are local and you see something you like, let me know. I may be able to give it to you for free, especially if you've provided me with things for the channel and you've been watching the videos. Yeah, let's just jump into it today. All right. Okay, so these rings were all given to me by someone local. I have looked at them a little bit, but not thoroughly. I don't like the clacking of the plate, so I think we're gonna take them off the plate. So the plate looks good, but the sound I can't deal with. Do I have a magnet around here, guys? I'm always losing my things, just out of curiosity. This frog, adjustable frog, really, really nice. Oh, he's so cute. I don't even know what size I am, but a relatively small size. I want one of those dolls that you put the rings on for the size. That's another thing that's on my wish list. Many, many things on my wish list. So that's cute. Really nice. It's just like a rubber smiley face. Cute little adjustable. Oh, it says keep smiles, but S-M-I-L-S. That's really nice. There were a few that I really liked in here. Just a spiral, a little bit bigger size. I can't wait till I get one of those ring sizers. Oh, and the gem tester for the stones. I don't think any of these are anything, just because someone just gave them to me. But that's still pretty. Purple. Is it a cat? I think it's a little cat. Oh, I like this one. I think that's what it's supposed to be. Tell me if it's something else and I'm just missing it today. That's gorgeous. Yellow stone. Yeah, really has a lot of wear. This was well loved, but you can't really tell that the wear with it on. It's pretty small. It's loose here, but too small on my other fingers. Here's one, bright, bright blue. Yeah, none of these have any marks. Are they all magnetic? No, so I don't know what that means. Could mean it's just plastic, but it feels a little bit better than plastic. So they're not, so I'm not really sure. I guess none of them are. I don't know if that means anything. This is like a light greenish yellow. Gorgeous. These are really pretty. I can't believe somebody didn't want these. I like this one, snake. Oh. Ooh, purple. I like these. This one does have a mark. It just says, SR maybe? I can't tell. Yeah, maybe SR. I don't know. Here's a very pretty one. don't have a lot of rings. As far as rings that I wear, I have like a really old class ring that I'll occasionally wear, and a few other old like 80s vintage style like gold tone or probably actual gold rings. But other than that, I don't really wear rings. Smiley face and lightning bolt and stars. And then I do have several from like Leah Sophia, but that I haven't worn. Oh, Nirvana. Somebody will want that. That's cool. The wings. I like that one. That's really pretty. Oh, little doggy. Oh, that one's super cute. Does adjust. This one has a mark. I'm terrible at seeing these marks. This might be a 925 mark, so I might test this dog because it's really nice, like really cute, really nice. I like this a lot, actually. It's very pretty. This also has a S925, so some of these I'll have to test for sterling. It probably should show up today. I'll do a testing video. Tell me in the comments if you're interested in seeing like the sterling testing videos or if you're over it, if you're bored of that. Because I know a lot of people do that. That's why I'm saying that. Sometimes they save it for the end. Most of these aren't, but a few of them do have that 925 mark, at least two. And some of the others, because I might not have looked super close on all of them. These are awesome. I may end up wearing some of these myself. Passing some on. Smiley. Ooh, this one's my favorite. It's like, it feels very like inexpensive, fake type of thing, but looks pretty. Could you imagine having like a real stone that big? Like it's like gray, smoky. It's so cool. This is for forever. I thought it said forever, but I think it's forever, and it's just a little worn. Adjustable. This one also says 925. So we'll test some of these for sterling when I get the test kit. So this same person also gave me some necklaces. And two of the necklaces I had already passed on to someone, which was fine because I obviously have so much. I don't know if I'm gonna untangle these today, but there are a bunch of these. So these are gonna be good. I can include these in different orders for freebies. Probably everybody's gonna get one of these. Cool at all. I like these. They're actually kind of nice. And if not, I'll use them in like goodie bags or something for my kids eventually or something. Very pretty. They're very pretty for what they are. Like, I don't know if this is like just glass or feels cold. So there's a bunch of them. There was a white one that was the nicest, or a clear one that I gave away already. The blue is really pretty. It's tangled. I may untangle this off camera. Oh, that's nice. The wings. And the little ball. That would go good with that wing ring. That's pretty cool. This is cool with the mushroom. This says Claire's. All right, I think I'm gonna untangle these off camera. Here's another one. Is this another Claire's? Yeah, another Claire's necklace. I'm assuming Claire's is all over, but it's just like a kind of inexpensive kids jewelry store in the mall. I'm assuming that's everywhere, but I don't know for sure. Because I've seen a lot of other brands and other lots, like similar kind of stuff, but but brands I never heard of. Here's one. Hopefully you guys are getting some of this. This one says Hope and it has a butterfly. That'll be good for the butterfly curated lot that I'm working on. And the rest, I don't know how this video is gonna be, guys. The rest is just a bunch of these that I'll have to untangle as needed. All right, I'm gonna put the tangle in one spot, and the rest of these that I've clasped can go back in their bag. Actually, I was tempted to put them back in with the rings, but I'm not going to. So then a friend on Facebook type of friend had left these for me for beads. Ooh, there's a cute little ring. I'll put that with the rings. I'm just gonna keep the rings together. I could put these charms in there. Oh, this is like a single earring, I think. I don't think there's a match. Oh, and sorry, I'm like, was this, oh, so these just need new hooks, new ear wires, so that's an easy fix. These are really cute. Thank you for those. Very cute ring. Oh, this is really cute, really nice. Oh, this pretty much matches that other necklace that I just showed you. It's a sour. Looks like someone made this. It's just a stretch bracelet. This is kind of like religious, so this may go in a grouping with similar items. That's beautiful. They call these memory wire bracelets, and you can make them. You can get this wire, and you can make these types of bracelets pretty easily. I don't think I have any of this type of wire, but it is a very popular craft that people make, like the memory wire. Oh, this is gorgeous. I like this a lot. And then we have here, this is the Alex and Ani charm. But it doesn't really look like Alex and Ani, so maybe it is. Maybe they made different styles that I was never into that. I don't know why I just missed that boat. I just wasn't into jewelry during that trend. I was the Pandora. I'm probably telling you my age by this, but yeah, the Pandora, you know, that was more my time. That's really cool beads though. And then all these beads are so awesome. Oh my God. These ones, thank you for this. These are on a stretch. The stretch is good, but I might do different combinations. This is like purpley dark midnight sparkle. Wow, I like these a lot. All these beads are great. These are black with a hint of a sparkle. I can't tell. Or if that's just a reflection of my lights. All right. Oh, I love all these beads. Thank you so much. Like little stone beads. I'm gonna make stuff with these probably. And these are like little lava rocks. I love this stuff. I'm definitely gonna try to recreate some of these. Thank you so much. And the little band for my daughter will go to my daughter. All right, I'm gonna pause. My voice is just so tired. All right, thank you for watching if this ends up being the end of this video. I did these two, and then I have all of this to do, and I have more, even more set aside. All right, thank you so much for watching.